What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we've got a pretty cool unboxing to go over and review of the Atlanta Motor Speedway Photo Finish 3-pack 1/64th scale raced version. All three cars are a raced version. As they cross the finish line, that'll come into play with the Suarez. We've got the box to go over real quick. Trackhouse, RCR, and Team Penske. The picture of the photo finish in the background there. Of course, we got all three cars, raced version. 1/64 scale, Cup Series, Atlanta photo finish. Let's turn to the side. Same, there's the picture of the finish. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then the back here shows the numbers, and it's got the 2024 Camaro and the Mustang limited edition. And of course, just all that jibber jabber. So with that being said, let me pop this puppy out and we'll get into it right here, right now. Okay, so here it is out of the packaging for the most part. We've got the three diecasts here, and we will go over them one at a time, starting with the race winner. Let's move this out of the way just for now. This is Daniel Suarez, Freeway.com, race winning diecast as it crossed the finish line. Of course, he and almost every other car was in that lap 1/2 big one that took place, so he's got some damage on the front hood, which is pretty cool, taped up to keep that sucker going, and it worked. So that's why you repair it and you get back out there, because you can win that baby. We got Camaro down the side, Freeway.com. And then what I want to do is I'm going to bring in the actual Atlanta win diecast race win and see how much, if any, difference we can find. So let me pop this puppy out and we'll do that right here, right now. All right, so here we are. We've got the 3-pack version here and the official race winner here. And the major difference is the taco pinata that's on the windshield for the race winner, the official race winner, the victory lane version, I guess you could call it, here on the right hand side. And that might be the biggest and only difference we'll see. The only other thing I can think of would be if he blew out a tire or something during the burnout. We might see it different, but it looks like, at least on this version, it's the same, and that might be the only major difference. Yeah, I don't see too much difference other than that. Maybe the 124 will have blown out tires or something. But other than that, I'm glad to get them both because the set is really cool. Let's put that one back there and that one back there. So there they are side by side one more time. And again, if you're a Suarez fan or if you're a race version fan, there is a difference. So that's why I've got them both. The set's really cool, and then of course winning the race by himself, Suarez, pretty cool. So we'll move on, move that, and we'll move on to the second place finisher, Kyle Busch, Cheddar's number 8. I do not have the clean version of this to go over with this one, but he's got some damage, of course. I'm sure he was in the mix, all those cautions and crashes too, so he's in there too. Kyle Busch, number 8. Really close to winning a few times this year, but of course this one's the closest. And then third place is the number 12 for Ryan Blaney. His Body Armor Zero Sugar car. And this one also has just a tiny bit to go over. I mean, tough to see on it, but just a little bit. And then while that's here, I do have the official release, the clean version, so we can take a look at what's a little different on this one too. Let me get this one out of the box. Alrighty, here they are. And when it comes to this one, honestly, I'm probably pretty lost. I know I see a difference in the windshield tear-offs, Of course, the raced version has that detail to it because that goes on in every race. So that's a difference on the name banner there. And then, let's see. I mean, just a little bit more dirty, of course, in the race winner version. It's hard to pick up on here, but there is just dirt and tire buildup and debris on that race winner. Or not race winner, whoops, race version. But that's pretty cool. I'm glad to get both of these two. Really tough to tell, but nonetheless. So with that being said, let me take that out one more time. Put that there. This here, this here. I think that's how they finished. Blaney second and Busch third. I might have said that wrong a little earlier. But there it is. One of the best finishes of all time. One of the best finishes of 2024, if not the best. But with that being said, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more. Thanks for checking this one out. I'll catch you in the next one.